Okay. Smell it. Smell it. Who is that?
So, you want to hear something funny? Me and the girls, when we were at,
Timmy's here.
whatever night that was, Wednesday? No, it was Tuesday. Whatever the fuck night, it was Thursday. When I went to Pablo's and Sawyer with the girls after work or whatever, and we...
It's fine.
I don't want to be on.
Oh, I'm not putting it on. Libby.
Is Timmy here?
Where's Timmy? Where is he? Where are you? Gosh, too close. Libby, here's this sweatshirt. Smell it. Libby, where's Timmy? Where's Timmy? Where is he? You're too dark. just. Oh, you're gonna sit on me now? Libs. Libby. 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 Where's Timmy? No, she can't. Hey! Alright. He's coming. He's coming. Don't worry. He's coming. He's coming. Go watch for him. Watch for Timmy. Watch for him.